fresh start, the quiet confidence, the feeling that everything is exactly where it should be. Welcome to Buck Bay, one of the most desirable communities in the area and home to this stunning 2025 custom-built Wade home. Situated on a full acre with a natural tree buffer offering privacy and space, this 1,660 heated and cooled square foot home was designed for real life. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a true split floor plan that gives everyone their own place to unwind. As you enter, you're greeted by a bright, open living space filled with natural light, wood-look tile floors, and a calming, neutral palette ready for your personal touch. The spacious kitchen features gorgeous quartz countertops, a custom tile backsplash, and the perfect flow into the dining area overlooking your peaceful backyard. Step outside to a partially covered patio, ideal for quiet mornings or relaxed evenings under the Florida sky. The oversized owner suite offers a private retreat complete with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower designed for comfort and style. Built with passion, built with quality, built to last. And the location? Just minutes from the Chiefland Golf and Country Club, close to the scenic Sewanee River, and right up the road from the crystal clear waters of Manatee Springs State Park. With a minimal HOA of just $75 annually and all loan types accepted, this is your opportunity to own a brand new home in 2026 while rates are working in your favor. 1 acre, a thoughtfully designed floor plan, a peaceful community. Your next chapter begins here. Schedule your private
brand new day, brand new place. Open that door, fall into grace. Hey, hey, custom dream on a quiet lane. Wade home shining after the rain. 4 rooms ready for every name. 2 clean baths and a wide hallway. 1 full acre, that's your ground. Space to breathe, no close by crowd. Tree line wrapped like a soft surround. Little green wall keeps the world tuned down. Buck Bay,